a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat.
Hey you guys, thanks for coming to check out today's video. So today's video is super exciting. It is with a new wig that I haven't tried yet. Obviously, I haven't tried it yet. Thank you so much, Ebony Line, for sending over this new wig. They did sponsor this video, so I definitely want to give them a huge shout out. So let's go ahead and jump right in. Alright you guys, so today's wig is the Cloud9 Swiss Lace 360 wig, which is from the What Lace Custom Frontal Collection, and this one is called TASIA Sleek Ponytail, and of course its claim to fame is the natural density hairline and the 360 Swiss lace. So I have her in the color number 2. I'm gonna go ahead and pull her out. Oh, I like the way the ponytail is wrapped around. That's really cute. I wish it was a little tighter. It feels a little like the hair wrapped around it is loose. It feels like the ponytail inside is secure, but the hair around it is like pretty loose. It doesn't seem secure. So if you wanted to keep it in this style, you might want to hit it with a little bit of hairspray and a blow dryer to just make sure that this is secure. It has a nice pretty wave. It almost looks like what would you call this? Like a natural wave or a loose water wave, almost a water wave type of texture. It is extremely long, you guys. It's definitely a long unit. Let's see what the construction is looking like. So on the inside, you have a whole bunch of parting space. You definitely have a nice looking hairline and a nice parting space. It looks really good. And as promised, the lace is all the way around. It looks like you also have an adjustable elastic band. You have adjustable straps inside, and you have 3 combs at the top and 1 comb at the back. So what I think I'm going to do is go ahead and cut off the lace. The lace color actually looks really good. It looks like it matches me just fine, so I'm not going to use any lace tint. I am wearing my Ankara headband, which I do sell on my website on justthedragoness.com. These are $12, but you can also use the coupon code DRAGONESS to save you some money if you want to grab you a headband. These are awesome because they go around your head twice, and you can use them as a baby hair scarf as well. So I used it not only to lay down the front of my head, because when I find when the baby hair scarves are too short, it only lays down the front of your head because you have to tie it in the back. But this lays down the front and the back of your head. So you can get a really nice clean back and front hairline laid down all around. So I am going to go ahead and cut off the lace and pop this wig on. Really cute. I definitely, let me put it on this side because the thing is black on that side. This is definitely cute. I like how it looks in the ponytail. I was considering taking it out of the ponytail and kind of showing it to you guys out of the ponytail as well, but I kind of don't want to mess up the style. I think this wig is super cute. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and lay down the baby hairs. The only thing that is kind of concerning me is this area right here. So I guess I'm going to decide if I'm going to take some of the hairs out so that this can lay down. Otherwise, I feel like the sideburn area is going to start to look a little crazy. So I will go ahead and get started laying down these baby hairs.
That's good.
So this is the end result, you guys. I definitely love this wig. I wouldn't suggest pulling hair out of the sideburn area. I would definitely suggest trying to figure that out without doing what I did, because when I pulled the hair out, it kind of messed up the ponytail and the smoothness of it. What I will say is that this low ponytail is not super duper tight. So like I was saying before, it feels a little bit loose, like around the ponytail, and even the ponytail on my head feels like the wig is secure and the wig fits my head. The wig is not going anywhere, but the ponytail is like a little loosey-goosey. As opposed to if you like snatch this wig yourself into a ponytail, I feel like it would definitely be more firm and like more of a substantial ponytail, and you would just feel like it was just more of a firm, held together ponytail. This feels a little loosey-goosey. That being said, I absolutely love it. I feel like this is definitely an everyday sort of look. It would be more so every day if you trimmed it down a little bit. Right now it's super long, but you can easily just taper it to be a little shorter or bun it up into a bun. I think this ponytail is absolutely adorable. Like I said, I was considering taking it out of the ponytail holder, but I really like it styled the way that it is, and I don't think I'm going to mess with it. Go forward for like this little piece. If I were to wear this ponytail out, I would probably just wrap this little piece around. That's the piece that I kind of messed up. I would probably just, I would just wrap that piece around so it's not showing. The ponytail is long. It's gonna hit you down around your butt area. So it's definitely long. Don't mind my pajama pants. You know us YouTubers be real sexy from the top and real comfortable from the bottom. So yeah, you guys, that's pretty much all I have to say on this one. Of course, the hairline is absolutely beautiful. Sensational has definitely perfected this whole what lace situation, so I don't feel like I have to say much about that. If you like my makeup look, it is all Fenty. Full Rihanna face here, full Fenty face. This is my first time trying Fenty products. I've never owned a single Fenty product, which I know is crazy, but I haven't. And yeah, so I am excited to be trying out some Fenty stuff. If you guys want to see a tutorial on how I achieved this look, I definitely used the Fenty in shade 385, and I used the soft matte pro filter. I also used the Fenty concealer in 330. I also used the new Snap palettes. These are amazing. I used palette number 7, and I also used palette number 3. These are dope because you can literally snap them together, and they have multiple different options of these. I kind of want to get all of them. What is this black on my hand? Oh my gosh, I just got something black on my fingers. But yeah, and then I also use the Honey Made and Hustler Baby. This is the what do you call it, the highlighter. And then I also use the powder in Banana. I think the powder in Banana is a little bit too much for my taste. I think I'm gonna try the shade Just One Down from this because it is a lot. Fenty doesn't have any blushes, so I didn't use the blush. I just used my good old-fashioned Wet n Wild blush, but I used the Fenty Fly Line, which is their eyeliner as well. So I used a whole bunch of Fenty today, and I was definitely loving it. So yeah, let me know if you guys want to see how I achieved this look, and I will definitely be back at you with that if you're curious. Thanks so much for watching this tutorial. Make sure you check out Ebony Line if you'd like to grab you one of these units. I will leave a link down below in the information box so you can check it out for yourself and check out more that Ebony Line has to offer. Make sure you guys are subscribed to this channel. Turn on your post notifications so you never miss a new upload from your girl. I will be hitting y'all with new content every single day for the month of January. Hopefully every single day from here on out, but we shall see how much I can get accomplished. You know, the girl has three kids, so it is a lot, and I'm doing it on my own, so y'all bear with me. But I definitely have some good content coming for you guys, so make sure you're subscribed. Make sure you're following me on my social media at Jess the Dragoness, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace out.